Okay, today is a cool day. I got a couple of my sons here for the holiday weekend, and we are going to put the saw blade on the saw. So that's always a neat to see new things going on it. Got to grab this big wrench. Okay, I've been storing these saw blades in this shop in here. They're not that heavy, but they're kind of awkward, so I've recruited some help here to help me get it over on the mill. Are you okay just to carry it over?
Yeah.
Just set it there on that track section. Do you want to pull that big nut off? It might be. You might not even need that wrench.
Oh, nice.
I've already had it apart and greased it up and everything. And then that next big washer comes off.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. And then the saw comes on. Don't step through the holes.
Don't put it on backwards.
Yeah.
So which way is backwards?
Your side down, Robert.
My side down. Yeah, just set it. No, we can't because of the teeth.
You can set it on that wood if you need to.
That's what I was doing. it in reverse?
Snug it up with that wrench if you can.
Yeah. How tight?
I'm not sure. Just get it snug for now.
Okay. It's snug.
Okay, spin the thing. Oops,
Nope.
got a hold of the string.
It actually turns.
Does it look like it's spinning true?
Yeah, it looks real good. Oh yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, I'm trying to watch for wobble. Keep spinning it.
It's kind of deceiving when there's different colors and marks on the blade, you know. Deceives your eyes.
Might be a little bit, but
Cool. Now this saw guide will go on. This adjusts in and out.
so it'll fit somewhere in there.
Yeah, fit like that. And then yeah, we'll be able to cut probably it'll be a little bit higher than that, but we'll be able to cut like a 22-inch cut on it. That's completely adequate for
What we're doing.
for these logs that we have around here to cut. We don't have anything really big. So, pretty cool getting some visual progress going on it. Thanks for watching.